Are you looking to transfer photos from files on your iPhone to the gallery? In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily move images from the Files app into your Photos app. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Files app and then tap Browse at the bottom right. After that, find the photos or videos that you want to transfer to the gallery. For me, I have downloaded 2 photos, so those will be in the Downloads folder in Files. Once you've found the photos that you want to transfer, tap on these 3 little dots at the top right corner of the screen, and then tap Select. And then just tap and select the photos that you want to add to the Photos app. After that, tap on the Share button at the bottom left corner of the screen. And then simply tap Save Images. And now those photos I selected have been transferred to the gallery. If I open up the Photos app, I can view them. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.